If you're looking for the best online interior design courses, Coursera offers excellent programs to help you learn design principles, space planning, and professional interior design skills. Today, I'll show you the top 3 interior design courses worth taking. Before we begin, if you plan to take more than one course, check the discount link in the description. You can currently save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus. At number 3 is AutoCAD Commercial Interior and Corporate Layout Design by DUCBA. This beginner-friendly specialization has a 4.8-star rating and teaches AutoCAD, architectural drawing, commercial interior layouts, blueprint reading, and technical drafting. If you want practical software skills that employers value, this is an excellent choice. At number 2 is Making Architecture by IE Business School. With a 4.8-star rating and more than 1,500 reviews, this course develops creative thinking, architectural design, design strategies, problem solving, and design thinking. It's perfect for anyone who wants to understand the creative process behind designing beautiful spaces. My number 1 recommendation is Blueprint to Brilliance through Interior Design by Coursera. Designed specifically for beginners, this course has a 4.4-star rating and introduces the foundations of interior design. You'll learn design strategies, layout design, aesthetics, project management, and the core principles that every interior designer should master before moving on to advanced software or commercial projects. These courses provide an excellent learning path, whether you want to redesign your own home, start a freelance business, or build a professional career in interior design. If you plan to complete multiple interior design, architecture, or creative design courses, Coursera Plus is usually the smarter option. Buying courses separately can become expensive, while Coursera Plus gives you access to thousands of eligible courses, specializations, and unlimited certificates with one subscription. If you're ready to start learning, check the discount link in the description and save 40% on your first 3 months of Coursera Plus.